Friends, today Unity Car brings you a masterpiece. A travel companion that will not only turn your dreams into reality but will make every day a new story. Meet the Coach Cruiser, a three-wheel camper that is one of a kind. Whether it's the busy streets of the city or long, quiet highways, this camper is that friend who will always be by your side. The first thing that touches your heart the moment you see the Coach Cruiser is its stunning design. Standing tall on three wheels, this beauty, with its aerodynamic body, offers a stylish look that turns heads from a distance. Its glossy paint, elegant lights, and beautiful chrome finishing, together make it not just a camper, but a moving piece of art. Now, let's open the door and step inside, and believe me, the moment you do, you enter an entirely different world. The Coach Cruiser's interior feels like a luxury hotel room placed on wheels. Right in front, a compact yet complete kitchen with a shiny stainless steel sink, mini fridge, and a small stove, so you can cook your favorite meals even on the go. To the right, a soft and beautiful sofa seat that transforms into a cozy bed at night. It's dressed with a black shining bedsheet, and matching black curtains that add both privacy and class. A small table with coffee cups and a little lamp gives you the perfect vibe for a peaceful evening. And yes, the soft blue lighting, as if every corner is bathed in moonlight. This isn't just a camper, it's a magical room that turns every moment of your journey into a memory. Everything inside the Coach Cruiser is designed with thought and care. Ventilated windows in the seating area, climate control for any weather, and space used so smartly that every inch feels valuable. Even though it's a three-wheel vehicle, it's so balanced and comfortable that even on long trips you won't feel tired. Whether you're camping by the beach or in a valley, the Coach Cruiser always gives you the comfort of home. Friends, the Coach Cruiser is not just a vehicle, it's a character in your story. It will take you to roads you might never have dared to walk before. It will turn every weekend into a new adventure. When you drive it down the road, people stop to look, take pictures, and ask, "What is this masterpiece?" And you proudly say, "This is the Coach Cruiser." So friends, if you want every trip to be unforgettable, if you want your vehicle to live in people's hearts, and if you want every eye on you wherever you go, then the Coach Cruiser should be your choice. This is the three-wheel camper that will turn your dreams into reality. Stay connected with Unity Car, because we bring you what truly touches your heart. Tell us in the comments, where would you take the Coach Cruiser first? To the heights of the mountains or the silence of the beach? Like this video, share it, and subscribe so we can keep bringing you such incredible masterpieces.